how to lead and manage change. Diagnosis reveals the causes of problems and identifies opportunities for development. We have to create readiness for change. We have to overcome resistance to change. There are two forces in the organization: those who want to maintain the status quo and those who want to embrace change. We have to create a rainbow coalition and all of them be part of our goal. We have to overcome resistance to change. As well, we have to manage the transition or maintain the momentum of change. Thank you.